was some pretty good photography. See how well that invisible fence works? There's something up there in those bushes they see, or they saw, and they want it. Dakota's just being crazy. Don't fall, buddy. Can hear the water dripping from the ice up above. Dakota's getting as close as he can get to that fence. What'd they hear? There they go, up in the backyard.